Microsoft has launched a PC Manager app that is designed to boost your computer's performance. Much like CCleaner, a beta version of Microsoft's PC Manager includes storage management and the ability to end tasks quickly and control which apps start up with Windows. Much of this functionality is already baked into Windows, but this PC Manager app puts it all in one useful location. Microsoft PC Manager is designed to keep your PC running smooth through several maintenance and security features. I will put the download link in description. After installation, the app interface will look like this. The Boost feature cleans your temporary files and improves your memory usage. Health Check allows you to clear system logs and recent files, and you can disable unwanted startup apps to save resources. Store Management has 4 options. Deep Cleanup. Perform a full cleanup scan. Manage large files. Look for large files in your drive. Manage Apps. Remove rarely used apps to save space. Storage Sense. Automatically clean up temporary files. Process Management. End unused processes to make your system run faster. Startup Apps. Manage apps that run automatically at login. Security helps to scan for threats using Windows Defender. You can manage Windows Update from here and choose your default browser. This is really very useful for normal users. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.